I hope everyone is doing well in this COVID world. I'm still getting out and doing some adventures with social distancing. Went kayaking yesterday and stayed the night on an island. That was pretty cool, except the lighter broke, so we didn't have a fire, which was super disappointing. So I'm hiking today up a wee hill, mountain I suppose you'd call it, that I've done quite a few times before. And it's nice because it's got the 88 places, so like in Buddhism 88 has a special meaning and has 88 of these guys. But it's been a while since I've been hiking and I'm tired already. I'm only at place number 12. Oh, that's 22. So I'm getting there. So up this mountain there's actually a bit of bear activity. So I've got double the bear bells today to hopefully discourage any bears coming near me, because that scares the shit out of me. So I like this mountain. It's volcanic, so it's got some really cool stone formations and some pillars of rock and stuff. And yeah, since I last came up here, actually, there's been a new motorway opened. Just the last sort of, maybe only 5k's, I'm not sure exactly. But that's something new. Some more traffic noise to really complement your hike. So it just opened from, I don't know if you can see this, but there's a bridge about here. That's an interchange. Just opened down there and came along here. And you can't see there, but the interchange is over there. It's maybe 5 kilometers. It improves travel time, but in this road, the local road here, was a bit slow going and congested at times. So yeah, roads are still being built and opened at huge expense to the taxpayer. That road, actually, they've just announced in the last few days a further extension on it, and I think that'll be the last extension before that particular highway is complete, of the high speed part anyway. And after that they'll do local road improvements to make the overall travel time between Asahikawa and Monbetsu a bit quicker. But anyway, enjoy the scenery and enjoy my bear bell noise. I said it was easy, but I take that back. I'm exhausted. I'm not even at the top. But to be fair, this year, because of the situation, they cancelled the 100-kilometer marathon. Well, every marathon that I entered. So that's a shame. So because of that, I haven't really done any training in terms of running. So I'm pretty out of shape at the moment. Well, we did it, friends. This is the top. It's not even 10 AM yet. I got up at 3, and so it feels like, I don't even know what time, it feels like 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Anyway, hope you enjoyed that trip. You can see the other end of the new motorway there. So yeah, I think it opened in December 2019 maybe. So it's still fresh. Yeah. See you next time.